Hi there and welcome to John Teacher's Cafe English. Do you like going to coffee shops? Have you used English when ordering something in a coffee shop? Let's say you decided to order a cafe mocha and wanted to know how to ask for it in English. Could you do it? In this video, we will learn the 5 most useful English phrases you can use in a coffee shop. And I'm sure you would love to sound like a native speaker. So we will also use intonation to make our English sound natural and help us build confidence, while also spreading good vibes. As a result, you will likely make new friends during your English speaking journey. Let's dive in. Now, cashiers will typically say, "Hello, how can I help you?" You can reply, "Can I have a cafe mocha, please?" Or you can use the polite version, "May I have a cafe mocha, please?" You can even say, "I'd like a cafe mocha, please." But if you feel more comfortable being polite, use the second sentence. Let's practice a phrase first without any expressive intonation and then with it, and you can decide which sounds better. First one, A. Can I have a cafe mocha, please? Can I have a cafe mocha, please? And then B. Can I have a cafe mocha, please? Can I have a cafe mocha, please? You can express yourself in either way, but which one sounds more favourable to you? Was it A or was it B? Let me know in the comments. Personally, I think using intonation creates a positive vibe so that the person serving you will feel energized and very happy to help you. During the remainder of this video, you will hear me speaking with positive intonation. I recommend you practice this to achieve the best experience possible. After ordering your drink, you need to ask how much it costs. And you can say, "How much is it?" Or, "How much does it cost?" Suppose you need clarification on what the assistant said. In that case, you can use the calculator on your phone to confirm your understanding of the price. You can say, "Did you say this much?" If you usually go to the coffee shop to study, you will need Wi-Fi. And nowadays, coffee shops offer free Wi-Fi for customers. If you check the walls for Wi-Fi posters and you can't see any, you will need to ask the staff if they have Wi-Fi access. You can say, "Do you have Wi-Fi?" Or, "Can I connect to the Wi-Fi here?" If for some reason you can't connect to the Wi-Fi that they gave you, you can then ask for the password. And you say it like this, "Can you tell me the password for the Wi-Fi, please?" And that will solve the problem. And you can connect to the John Teacher's Cafe English channel on YouTube. What a good idea. And the last but just important phrase is, "Have a good day." This differs from what most customers do these days. So when it does happen, the person serving you feels good and energized. So I really recommend that you leave a positive impression on the staff, as it will brighten up their day. So when leaving the coffee shop, say, "Have a good day," or "Take care." And there you have it, the 5 most useful English phrases you can use in a coffee shop. and don't be afraid to practice them the next time you order your drink. Now, knowing that happiness is contagious, people will react positively and share your good vibes when they hear the cheerful intonation in your voice. There you go. Now, if you want more educational content, please click here. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.